I was not expecting that fast support or kind of, the solution. Actually, I was having a lot of problems in my tooth. I had very severe pain in one of my tooth, and I knew that. And in fact, before COVID, I was already undergoing one of the treatment which got stopped because of COVID-19. So initially, it was in October 2022. I still remember the date. I really had very severe pain in one of my tooth. I looked upon the Google. I find this on my page. I think I was not expecting that fast support or kind of, the solution. My pain was killed the next day. I was having a lot of problems in my tooth. But I remember that my first initial conversation with Dr. Atul, he looked upon it and he definitely assured me. That was the first thing which I would say any patient look for it, where you can have that trust that the issue can be taken care of. I think that really helped me. I would really like to thank you, Dr. Atul, Shruti, Kirtika, Lakshmi, whosoever in the staff. I'm sorry if I doesn't remember everybody's name, but I remember all of you. And it's been wonderful experience. I must say that the smiling faces, not only from the treatment perspective, I think the staff is also very well equipped in treating that. Because the problem you will never get to know unless you started having the problems, and then you realize that okay, how painful this could be for even your elderly parents who doesn't have the teeth. I know I'm talking long, but it really helped me to convince my mother at least. And this is like, and I would like to share one more thing. In between, we went to Delhi, where I normally do my mother's the full checkup. One of the things was for the dental checkup, and the dentist definitely asked us that from where this this tooth cap has been done and where it has been done. We mentioned them that it was from the Lucknow, and she was a bit surprised, and we were very happy that okay, something is, it got validation one more time that whatever has been done is good. So yeah, I was very convinced, I would say. So I am Madhu Basera, and thank you so much, Vijayant Dental.